Welcome to Tech Vibe, where innovation meets insight. If you thought last year's MacBook Pro was unbeatable, wait until you hear what Apple's planning next. The upcoming MacBook Pro M5 might just be Apple's boldest leap forward yet, blending raw performance, futuristic AI features, and design refinements that push the limits of what a laptop can do. Here's a question to start with. What happens when Apple's already top-tier machine meets its most powerful chip ever? The answer might redefine the future of professional computing. Let's dive into everything we know so far about the MacBook Pro M5, from its expected release window to the biggest upgrades and features that could make this one of 2025's most anticipated laptops. Based on Apple's yearly chip cycle, the MacBook Pro M5 is expected to launch around October or November 2025, likely during Apple's annual fall event. Historically, Apple introduces its new MacBook Pro lineup right after unveiling its next-generation chips, and since the M5 series is in active development, insiders believe the MacBook Pro M5 will headline that event. This release will mark a new era of Apple silicon, one focused not only on speed but also on intelligent performance and energy efficiency powered by next-gen AI. The biggest change, of course, is the Apple M5 chip. Built on TSMC's 2-nanometer process, this chip promises up to 30% better performance than the M4 while being significantly more power efficient. That means more speed, longer battery life, and cooler temperatures even under demanding workloads. Apple is expected to release the chip in 3 configurations: M5, M5 Pro, and M5 Max, each targeting different types of users. The base M5 will power the 14-inch models, while professionals will lean toward the 16-inch M5 Max, designed for high-end video editing, 3D modeling, and AI development. But the M5 isn't just about speed, it's about intelligence. The chip will include an upgraded neural engine, capable of handling over 100 trillion operations per second, giving macOS advanced real-time AI capabilities. Imagine live language translations, smarter photo and video editing in native apps, and predictive multitasking that adapts to your workflow automatically. Apple is also expected to introduce on-device AI assistants across macOS, allowing users to automate complex tasks with voice or gestures while keeping everything private and offline. While the overall shape will remain familiar, the MacBook Pro M5 will reportedly feature thinner bezels, a brighter and more efficient mini-LED display, and even a new matte nanotexture glass option to reduce glare. The chassis could be subtly slimmer, thanks to internal redesigns and the improved thermals of the M5 chip. Some prototypes suggest Apple might experiment with new color finishes, possibly including a darker Titan black or a deep graphite tone that complements the professional look of the machine. The Liquid Retina XDR panel is expected to reach up to 2000 nits peak brightness in HDR mode and feature improved local dimming zones for better contrast. Apple is also testing variable refresh rates up to 165 Hz, making animations smoother and gameplay more responsive, a meaningful upgrade for creative professionals and gamers alike. Battery life, as always, is a key highlight of Apple's laptops. Thanks to the new M5 chip's efficiency and improved battery chemistry, the MacBook Pro M5 could deliver up to 24 hours of use on a single charge. Combined with macOS's adaptive power management, you'll get peak performance when you need it and silent efficiency when you don't. The MacBook Pro M5 will launch alongside macOS 16, bringing deeper AI integration across the system. Expect an evolved Siri 2.0, powered by on-device learning, capable of context-aware assistance, like suggesting file organization, scheduling edits, or generating code snippets. macOS 16 will also feature AI-enhanced creative tools, real-time background removal, and dynamic resource allocation that adjusts CPU and GPU performance based on your workflow. Apple is said to be integrating Wi-Fi 7 for faster, more stable internet connections, and possibly even Thunderbolt 5 ports offering double the data bandwidth of the previous generation. Professionals dealing with large 8K video files or 3D assets will appreciate the faster transfer speeds and external display support. There's also talk of improved Bluetooth 6E for more stable connections to accessories like AirPods Pro and Apple Pencil. Fans have long requested Face ID on the MacBook lineup, and this might finally be the year it happens. Engineers are reportedly working on a miniaturized Face ID module that fits within the slim display bezel, adding convenience and enhanced biometric security. Apple is also expected to enhance the MagSafe 4 charging system, potentially increasing power delivery up to 140 W while maintaining low heat output. Charging speeds might improve by 20%, allowing the MacBook to reach 50% charge in under 30 minutes. Additionally, Apple may introduce a new eco-friendly aluminum alloy chassis, using recycled materials without compromising strength or aesthetics. The 6-speaker sound system on the current MacBook Pro is already one of the best in the industry, but the M5 version will likely improve spatial audio accuracy and add support for adaptive sound environments. Combined with the new 1080p TrueDepth camera, users can expect better clarity in low light and smoother virtual backgrounds during video calls. In terms of pricing, Apple will probably keep things consistent. The 14-inch M5 MacBook Pro might start around $1,999, while the 16-inch M5 Pro and M5 Max models could range between $2,499 and $3,499. However, Apple might also introduce a slightly more affordable MacBook Pro SE variant using the base M5 chip, targeting developers and students who want pro-level power without the high price tag. So, what does all this mean for users? Simply put, the MacBook Pro M5 will combine Apple's unmatched silicon efficiency with next-generation intelligence. It's not just faster, it's smarter, more adaptive, and more attuned to how professionals actually work. Whether you're editing 8K footage, producing music, or coding complex software, the M5 MacBook Pro will deliver that effortless responsiveness Apple is known for. If the rumors hold true, the MacBook Pro M5 won't just be a step forward, it'll be a leap toward the future of computing. With cutting-edge AI integration, an ultra-bright display, all-day battery life, and next-level performance, this might be the most complete MacBook Apple has ever built. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe, where we break down the latest in innovation with clarity and authenticity. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of upcoming Apple tech and beyond. The future of performance computing is closer than ever, and Apple is ready to redefine it once again.